Guys, naniyazi ukuthi mase sengivela kuma-screen ngisuke sengiphethe isigaxa sendaba. Namhlanje ke i-grandson kaNelson Mandela ekuthiwa uMandla Mandela upostile kwathi baya-kidnapper lapha eGaza. So I'm guessing it has to do nalento le Israel nani kuthiwa bebesesikebheni. All of a sudden isikebhe sabo sesiya interconnectwa, meaning ukuthi sebeyasihlukanisa basisa ngala bona bebeya ngala. And then washo ukuthi this is against our will. This is against our will. We did not sign up for this. We don't want to be kidnapped. Why are you kidnapping us? Take us back to South Africa. And then they are pleading ukuthi kuzoqala war futhi i-war izoba khona between South Africa and Israel or Gaza. Because why are they kidnapping us? Manje babambe umuntu wrong. Babambe ingane kaNelson Mandela, umzukulu wakhe, uMandla Mandela. So now we are spreading the word ethi #free Mandla Mandela and all those other people who are also held captive. I'll come back with the story ngintshela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kodwa every day la kumele sireport ukuthi abantu baphathwa kabi la eMzansi nangaphandle. Asazi ukuthi manje sophila laphi. Asazi ukuthi kumele senze njani. Hey.